Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your Binance account ready and confirming permissions. Enable 2FA now, complete KYC, and turn on API/withdrawal if you need programmatic control. Once done, decide worker naming conventions and a payout threshold so miners report correctly. You do this because secure authentication prevents hijacks, KYC unlocks pool features, and consistent worker names simplify monitoring and payouts. Make sure your network has a static IP or stable DHCP to avoid reconnect issues during the next setup steps. You now configure each miner to point at Binance Pool endpoints and set the correct algorithm. Enter pool URL and port, then format the worker as user. Worker and add your password or API key if required. Once connected, adjust intensity and thread counts to match GPU/ASIC specs and reduce hash errors. Make sure to enable auto-reconnect and set reasonable retry intervals. This prevents downtime. You do this because proper tuning increases uptime and efficiency, while correct credentials ensure your rewards map to your account. You finish by verifying workers appear and shares are accepted on the Binance Pool dashboard. Confirm reported hash rate matches expectations, set payout schedule and thresholds, and enable alerts for drops. Once payouts begin, reconcile amounts against your miner logs. If something goes wrong, first inspect miner logs and Stratum credentials, then check GPU drivers and network connectivity. Often a port block or wrong worker name is the culprit. You do these checks to ensure stable earnings and quick recovery from common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.